This is Peaches here.
Samuel Colin spends these days tending to his rescue animals. He has always been a caregiver. Colin trained to be a paramedic at age 19. He wanted medical training in case his father, a severe alcoholic, ever needed help. Now 25, Colin is the one who needs help. He's been at home on mental health leave since September. The pressure has been building on paramedics like him since the pandemic.
For quite a while, they were actually using the EMS garages for patients to basically be in there on beds because there was no room in the waiting room, there's no room in the hallway, there's no beds available.
And for just be advised, we have no units available. Lots of calls holding. We'll get to this when we can.
On one recent day, Regina was fully staffed with 11 ambulances and unable to respond to 135 calls. Because of Saskatchewan's backed up healthcare system, many EMS workers find themselves waiting with their patients until they're admitted, unable to respond to calls. This Saskatoon psychiatrist says paralyzing paramedics, who are trained to help, leads to mental health issues.
Let's put them in the middle of an ER where they're hearing people in distress. They're seeing all the people who aren't getting their needs met. We're inherently making them powerless.
The stress has worsened Colin's bipolar disorder.
I wasn't sleeping. I would be awake for 3 or 4 days at a time when I was off shift. And it ruined my life, honestly.
Eventually, Colin couldn't keep going to his job.
The calls that we were doing and the things that we were seeing, and I was not functional.
Saskatchewan's Ministry of Health tells CBC News it empathizes with what EMS workers are going through right now. Since 2019, the province has provided funding through the Health Authority to establish a mental health program. Also in 2019, the Workers' Compensation Board established a psychological injuries unit to help provide compensation and medical attention for workers, as well as specialized support. Support Colin is using, along with writing out his thoughts, anything to calm his mind. Laura Sharpaletti, CBC News, Regina.